Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nanda from grade 12 of Stage High School. Okay, today I will make an assignment video about a procedure text that I choose is how to make a fried tempe. Okay, these are the ingredients and tools you must have. First, we have 1 block plain tempe, and this is salt, and 3 cloves garlic, and then cooking oil, and the tool one is a knife and cauldron. Okay, this. How to make it? Let's try to make it. First, we must to cut some block plain tempeh into several slices. Don't slice it too thick or too thin. And then after this, we smash some garlic. And put them into a bowl. And add some salt. And then pour hot water and then marinate the sliced tempeh and leave them for about 10 minutes. While we're waiting this, we pour some cooking oil on a frying cauldron. Heat it with a medium-high heat. Okay. Okay. Next, after 10 minutes, when the oil is hot enough, we take the sliced tempeh and then fry them. Don't forget to flip them to fry the other side. And finally, when the tempeh are gold enough, put them on a plate. Okay everyone, this is the result. Not bad, and you can try to make this in your home. And thank you for your watching, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.